Morning guys, it is October 14th, 2022. This is where I got a call from a guy. I worked for him before with an old crusty boiler. And he says he don't think he's getting any oil flow out of it from the tank. And he said he's got like a foot of oil in the tank. I know it's a real old crusty tank, so it might just be full of schmag on the bottom there, you know. But anyway, I think he might have a OSB valve there, but I'm not 100% sure. I know it's a dark, dingy dungeon type of place. So I'm gonna go over there and give it the once over. Try to get some shots if I can. I know it's really dark down there, but I'll bring in my my lantern, see if I can light up the place. See if we get some oil flow for this guy. I think I cleaned it. I serviced this boiler earlier this year. I had a good oil flow at the time. So, I mean, anything's possible with this old shit. I know I had a good oil flow last time I was there. I always check that. He says there's a foot of oil in the bottom of the tank. He opened it up and stuck a pipe down there. Miss Molly, you're getting dreadlocks. I'm gonna have to cut them out. You're getting dreadlocks, Miss Molly. Oh, you're getting dreadlocks. Police transformer, draw assembly. When's the last time I serviced this thing? Who knows? Yeah, beginning of the year. This looks down right here. I think this is the problem. See this right here? It's broken. That's the problem. That's the problem right there. Rotted out. Relief valve's leaking. Pressure looks good. It's just things are flipping shit show. Oh, this guy needs a new boiler a while ago, but we're gonna replace this. This right here is a problem. I think this is what our problem is. Betcha. See if I get another one. Alright, I got another one here. Let's see if that works. Get an oil flow. That thing's supposed to be up, and it was down. That's what they call a firomatic. Oh, see, it's dripping now. We're getting oil. She's loose as a goose, mama. See if we get a flow now. When I start it, I'll jump out FF to keep it running. Yeah, we're getting a good flow now. That was a quickie. Gotta love a quickie. Gotta love a quickie. I was getting good oil flow out of it. I took the jumper off. Getting good oil flow out of the pump, so the filters and stuff are fine. That's where experience comes in, when you look at things and you know exactly what the problem is. Boom. There you go. The new style ones are known to do that. All we needed. It's a quickie. Gotta love a quickie, mama. It's crusty as hell, this one. A crusty one. Alright, Replace firematic candle at burner. All it was. I'll leave it here with the bill. I'll leave the bill over here. I gotta go make out the bill, but I'll leave the bill and the thing right with it, so he knows what the problem was. He's one of Joe Handyman. Joe homeowner handyman type, you know.